बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम टसर रॉ सिल्क साड़ी, सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड, weaved in pure लहरिया पैटर्न, antique zari weaving, beautiful shade, the highest demanding shade. This is full starting to end. You will get this लहरिया pattern, and this comes the blouse piece. बनारसी प्योर हैंडलूम टसर रॉ सिल्क साड़ी, सिल्क मार्क सर्टिफाइड, weaved in full लहरिया पैटर्न in borderless style. The zari quality and fabric is extremely good. The rich pallu with the look, and this you can see starting to end you will get this lehariya design. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, beautiful olive green color with rani pink blouse. Blouse will be plain with border, and the sari will have fully kadiyal weaved lehariya pattern weaving with the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. This is the full lehariya from starting to end. You can see this is the full lehariya pattern. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure reshmi antique zari. This is maroon with green combination. This is the look of the pallu with the blouse piece. This is the look. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside threads. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified, shaded dye pattern, antique zari woven, rani pink with red combination. This is the rich pallu, and blouse piece will be in red, single color. It's the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, fully kadwa woven saris these are, and it's starting to end lehariya pattern will come. This is the look. This is bright magenta color. Yeah. This is the look of the sari. Silk marked certified. Starting to end, we will get this lehariya pattern. You can see. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk sari. This is strawberry pink color with the leafy green blouse. Very beautiful combination. You can see. Fully antique zari woven. Kadiyal weaved buttas. Upper and lower both borders are equal and same. Beautiful and rich. This is the look of the sari. This is strawberry pink color. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique reshmi zari. This is shaded sari, upper and lower pattern sari. This is the pallu, and blouse piece is in one shade. The lower color will be the blouse piece. This is the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom tussar, extremely beautiful shade. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, grey with red combination and red meenakari also. Very beautiful sari. You can see the beauty of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside threads. This is a rich pallu with the blouse piece in red. You can see the beauty of the sari. See the look. Whole sari from starting to end have these buttas. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. This is shaded dye, double shade sari. You can see this is double shade sari with the blouse piece in self. This is the blouse piece color. The whole look of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside thread works. The beautiful Banarasi tussar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. This is off-white color, creamish off-white. The rich pallu with the blouse piece. This is the whole look of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside thread works. You can see the buttas also. Fully kadiyal weaved. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, silk marked certified. This is deep coffee color with deep mustard gold blouse. The big buttas pattern with the upper and lower both borders same. This is the rich pallu, and this is the blouse piece. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom tussar raw silk, the beautiful temple design with the black with red blouse. Silk marked certified, fully kadiyal weaved buttas, no backside cut work. Upper and lower both borders are same with the rich pallu, and this comes the blouse piece. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. This is olive gold color with teal blue blouse. Very beautiful. It's looking in real. Borderless patterns with the full kadiyal weaved. This is the rich pallu with the lining blouse. The whole look of the sari. Fully kadiyal weaved. You can see the bootas. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, silk marked certified. The beautiful pastel color with a deep coffeeish wine blouse, fully antique zari woven. Upper and lower both borders are same and equal. You can see with the rich pallu. And this comes the blouse piece. Fully kadiyal weaved, no backside thread work. See the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, sky blue color with rani pink blouse. The meenakari is also pink. This is the look of the sari, silk marked certified, fully kadiyal weaved. Starting to end you will get these motifs. You can see the starting to end you will get these motifs. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, fully kadiyal weaved, no backside cut work with the beautiful meenakari. This is deep maroon color. The rich pallu with the blouse piece in green. The whole look of the sari, fully kadiyal weaved bootas. You can see the look of the whole sari. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, borderless pattern, silk marked certified, fully kadiyal weaved. This is purple color. The rich pallu with the blouse piece in red, blood red color, silk marked certified. Ready to ship. Tessar raw silk, deep green color, deep bottle green with mustard yellow color blouse. Upper and lower both borders are equal and same with the rich pallu. This is the pallu with the blouse piece. The whole look of the sari, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk, maroon with green combination, deep green. The all-time favorite combination. Upper and lower both borders are same in this sari with the rich contrast blouse piece. The whole look of the sari, fully kadiyal weaved, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari. The beautiful antique reshmi zari, full red sari. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece plain with border, same as the sari. The big bootas in the body with the beautiful and rich border. Silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, fully kadiyal weaved bootas, borderless pattern saris. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece in black lining. This is the whole look you can see. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk sari, deep maroon color. This is slightly coffeeish maroon color with rani pink blouse in lining. The beautiful combination. This is the rich pallu with the blouse piece. Fully kadiyal weaved, silk marked certified. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure reshmi gold zari. The beautiful big bootas and fully kadiyal woven border. Upper and lower both borders are equal and same. This is deep rani pink color. This is the rich pallu with the blouse in self blouse. And this is the whole look of the sari. The most demanding shade of Tessar raw silk, navy blue with red combination. The highest demanding color combination. Beautiful and rich pallu with the blouse piece red. Navy blue with red. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in pure antique zari, fully kadiyal weaved bootas. Deep black color, borderless patterns. Starting to end you will get these bootas, and this is the blouse piece. You can see the whole look of the sari. Banarsi pure handloom Tessar raw silk, silk marked certified, weaved in antique silver zari. You can see upper and lower both borders will be same with the beautiful pallu. This is royal blue color with silver weaving. Blouse is self plain with border, same as the sari. Running blouse piece, and this is the whole look.